This is how I got started being a real estate investor after the crash of 2008. After the crash, there were a lot of properties to be picked up by real estate investors. I was lucky enough that I found a private lender that wanted to work with me. I also found a property in which this private lender was focusing on. He was able to lend me up to 75% loan to value for that market. I was able to get this property at a 50% loan to value, and it had minimal amounts of rehab cost. So it was a win-win for both situations. I was able to then repost this property for 90% loan to value, and I still got an offer that was even higher. At the end of the day, I was able to make almost 35% spread on this deal. It was one of my best deals, and it was my first one. But the good thing is that I was able to find a private lender that wanted to work with me. Now, Estrada Vega Capital can help you. We can lend you on your next residential flip or residential rehab. If you're interested and you need money today, we could close in less than 7 days. Make sure that you hit the follow button or click the link below and schedule your one-on-one.